Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of
Good
you.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am. Very,
Morning,
very
Renu,
good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Switch off your micro.
Good morning,
Switch off
ma'am.
your microphones now.
ये 1000 बार बोल होगा।
Switch off your microphones. Okay. Ready today's class? You all are ready for today's class? Yes. Open page. Open page number 106. Everyone open page number 106. I will also present my screen and show you the page number 106. Please put your books, notebooks down. Shubh Singana, please open your textbook. This is the
Yes,
page
Renu,
number.
ma'am.
Yes, Lamha.
Ma'am, I wanted to tell you that I have a internet issue at my house. So yesterday's Google form I could not do.
So do it today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, mics off, please.
Just a minute, ma'am. Can you mute me? My mic is not getting off.
Okay, I mute Lamha again. Lamha, yes. Someone else mic is also on. Please check your mics. Sit straight. Open page number 106. Someone mic is on. Please check your mics. Mohit. Open page number 106. Yes. Question is, Rudra, can you read the question number first of practice time?
Okay, ma'am. There are 60 mangoes. 1/2 of them are ripe. How many mangoes are ripe?
What do you mean by the word ripe?
Means perfect. So
Rotten.
Rotten. What do you mean by the ripe, rotten? What do you mean by this?
खराब हो जाना.
This is
Ma'am,
this is ripe word. What do you mean by the word ripe? Yes, Twisha.
ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know.
Twisha, tell me.
Ma'am, they are fresh. They are not the fresh mangoes. They are not the fresh. Ma'am,
They are not.
they are not properly. We cannot eat. The bitter is come inside. They are ripe and bitter tasty and bitter.
Ripe. What do you mean by the
Ma'am,
word ripe?
I know.
Yes,
Ma'am,
tell
meaning
me.
of ripe is perfectly, perfect.
Yes. Yeah, yeah. Tell me. Tell
Ma'am, they
me.
are not perfectly
And
sweet.
the answer I know, ma'am.
A normal sweet mango from that is called ripe.
Let Khevna speak. If one child, why this is almost 6 months, children. You don't understood the rules of the classroom also till now. Let one child complete their problem. Yes, Khevna, complete it.
Yes, ma'am. Ripe means perfect to eat right now, and it is tasty too.
Yes, the rotten is different, ripe is different. Ripe means it is perfectly ready to eat now. When you go and take the mangoes, when it is completely ripe, then only you will able to eat it, right? So half of the out of 60 mangoes, half of them are ripe. How many mangoes are ripe? What is the half of 60?
30.
30
30.
mangoes.
Please
30
write
mangoes.
the answer in the chat box. Write answer in the chat box. And write in your textbooks also. Trisha, this is EO is what? Yes, the answer is 30. Please write in your textbooks. Half of 60 is 30. When we take out the half of any number, you have to divide that number with 2. If I say what is the half of 40? Half of 40. Yes, half of 80. Half of 80. Half of 80, please write. Many children are still writing the previous. Yes, half of 80 is 40. Half of, will you able to make the, okay. Now let's check the next question. What is the next question? Anvi, can you please read what is the next?
There are 32 children, 1 upon 2 of them are girls. How many children are boys?
Okay, can you please tell me how many are boys? Anvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, if there are total 32 students in a class, please stop giving answers of the previous question. Now, next question is, I will block the link, children. You will not able to answer them. Please stop giving the answer of the last questions. Listen, okay, now give the answer. Now, write. Because your children don't listen. I have blocked my chat box. Next question is, there are 32 children. Half of them are girls. How many are boys? Dhairya, can you please answer me how many are boys?
Ma'am, 16 are boys. 16 are boys.
Yes, you can you tell me how many are girls if 32 children are there? Half of them are boys. So how many are girls?
16.
Vivaan Patel.
The answer is 16.
Suisha, without calling your name, you will not switch on your mic.
Ma'am, those are 16.
Every
Ma'am, 16.
okay. Switch off your mic.
Ma'am, 16.
16.
I got the answer. Switch off your mics. Vivaan Patel. Is the answer correct that 16 are boys
Yes, ma'am.
and 16 are girls?
Yes, ma'am. The both
Okay,
answers are correct.
Vedi, my next question is from you. What is the half of 4? Vedi, what is the half of 4?
Half of 4.
4.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
No. Without my permission, you will not switch on your mics. Yes, Vedi, what is the half of 4?
5.
Half of 4 is 5, Vedi. Vedi, what do you mean by the word half? Adha. Just exactly adha. You have 4 chocolates. Vedi, I am talking to you. Please switch on your mic and camera. Vedi, if you have 4 chocolates and you have to divide half of equally to you and your friend, how many you will get, how many your friend will get? Vedi, will you give me the answer, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say?
Okay, Farzan. Vedi, you think and give me the answer.
Yes,
Farzan, what is the half of 6?
Ma'am, 3.
You repeat.
Vedi, half of 4.
Ma'am,
It's
2.
a very small number I am asking from Vedi. Okay, next question. I will show you on the screen.
Of 4
Ma'am,
is
There
Ma'am,
are
above 4 is
20,
2.
yes, there are 20 stars. A quarter of them are red. When we are calculating the quarter of any number, we divide it with which number?
Ma'am.
4.
4. So what is the quarter of 20? I will on my chat box type answer in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Write answer in the chat box. What is the quarter of 20? So a quarter of them are red. So how many stars are red? Please write the answer. And Jen, quarter is you are writing 3/4. You have to write 1/4. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Ma'am,
my
it's a
next
network
question.
issue of mine. I just joined right
Yes.
now. So, ma'am, can you tell what we did in these 20 minutes?
Lamha, you were there in the class.
I'm 5.
Lama, you were there in the class. And now I'm going to continue the class.
Yeah, ma'am, but ma'am, it was a network issue of mine. Suddenly, it was all
So
blank.
my dear, other children will face difficulty. Okay. I'm
Ma'am,
doing the
but
word problems, which is on page number 106.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah. There are 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I got the answer that is how many is the 1/4 of the 20 is the quarter of 20 is 5. Now, my next question is how many quarters? My next question is it is not in your books. It is not in your books. So, my next question is how many quarters make 1/4? So, how many 1/4 make a whole? Sorry. How many 1/4 make a whole?
Ma'am, 4. 4. Ma'am, 4.
Four one
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 4. 4.
Very good.
4. Ma'am, 4.
Those who are saying
Four.
their answer is
Ma'am,
correct,
4.
they mute their mic now.
4.
Yes, 4/1/4 make a whole. Now,
1/4 is the.
now come to the next question. Dhruv, sorry, Daria, can you read it? The last question.
Yes, ma'am. Ravi wants a pencil. It costs 2 rupees. Presentation. 1 rupee coin, 1/2 rupee coin, and 1/4 rupee coin. Is it enough?
Daria, my presentation is visible when I was showing before.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now check.
Very clear. Yes, ma'am. It was visible clearly.
Okay, thank you. Mute your mics. I will not start until your mic. Sorry, you will face difficulty. Okay, thank you. Ravi wants a pencil. It costs rupees 2. The cost of the pencil was 2. He gives a 1 rupee coin, 1/2 rupee coin, and 1/4 rupee coin. The Rudra, what is the 1/4 of a 1 rupee coin?
1/4 of a 1 rupee coin.
How many paisas will come in the 1/4?
25.
Very good. Twisha, is it correct? The 25 paisa in 1/4?
Ma'am,
Because
I
how?
have 25 paisa.
Okay, because 100 rupees in 100 paisa is in 1 rupee coin. So the quarter when we do the 4 parts of 100 means 25 paisa in the 1/4. So he has given 1 rupee coin and 1/2 rupee coin. How many paisas in the half rupee coin?
25.
Half, half,
25.
half.
50.
25, ma'am.
50.
There a half. Half of a 1 rupee
25.
coin. Vedi, you don't repeat the answers of other children. Please think and tell me.
Ma'am, is that 28?
What is the half of 1 rupee coin? 1 rupee coin is having 100 paisa. Sorry. Please
Ma'am,
mute
26.
yourself.
15.
Ma'am, 50
Ma'am,
paisa.
50.
50 paisa.
Okay. Okay, you all teach. You all give the answers. Mohit, your mic is still on. Mohit, your mic is still on. Yes. Now listen to me very carefully. In 1 rupee coin, there are 100 paisa. So half of 100 paisa is 50 paisa. So half of 1 rupee coin is 50 paisa. So he has given 1 rupee coin, 1 half rupee coin, and the other is 1 quarter coin. Is it enough? Yes or no? Write the answer in the chat box. No, open your mics, please. Write the answer in the chat box and write the answer in your textbooks also. The answer will be no. It is not enough because he has given only one rupee coin, 50 paisa and 25 paisa. So it will be 175 paisa, but we need 200 paisa to make 2 rupees. So this price is not enough. Yes, thank you. Stop chatting now. Stop giving answers. Okay. Now come on the page number 102. Come on the page number 102. I will show you page number 102 on my screen.
Ma'am, in
This is the page number 102 and you have to open this part. Color the half the number of shapes as shown here. This first one is already done for you. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the half are color, which is 4. And 4 are already color. You can color any 4, the half of this. Now count the number of these circles and color the half. Then count the number of these flowers and color them half. So how many circles? Please count them fast and write the answer in the chat box.
ma'am, then we have to do color or we can do shade with
You
pencil.
can
also.
shade with pencil. You can shade with pencil. Please count the number of circles and tell me. Meantime, I am taking your attendance again.
18.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is 18.
No need to speak. You write the answer in the chat box. Okay, very good. There are total 18. So what is the half of 18? Please write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, 9.
9.
Yes. Please color 9 circles, shade them. Right now, don't shade complete because you need time to shade it. Just either cross it or either do a one line so that you will color it later on. Next, count the number of flowers now. This question is over. This question is over now. I will block my link now, my chat box. Now, Vedi, count the number of flowers. How many flowers are given in this? Count fast.
Ma'am, 10.
How many you will shade? If it is saying half, shade half. So how many you will?
5.
I'm not asking Ayansh, I'm asking Vedi. How many Vedi you will color? Please write the answer in the chat box, children. Chat box is open. Now Vedi, tell me, 10 may say what is the half of 10? Vedi, you don't want to study. Mohit, please don't write anything. Yes, there are total 10. So you have to shade 5 flowers. Come to the E part. 1/4 of these shapes. What do you mean by the 1/4? Count the number of.
Ma'am, 5.
Next is 1/4 of these shapes. Count the number of shapes divided with the 4. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes are there, and when you divide it with the 4, so you will color only 1. Chat box is open. Please write the answer of the question number E, first one, and shade it. Next, now number of leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is Farzan. What is the half of 8? Oh, sorry, 1/4 of 8, Farzan. Farzan, 1/4 of 8.
What, ma'am?
What is the 1/4 of 8? How many you will color?
1/4 of
2.
Ma'am, we can color 2.
Please don't give answer if I'm particularly asking from the one child. So leaves, you have to color 2 leaves. Then there is a cube shape is given.
Ma'am,
And
2.
there are 4.
Ma'am, 2.
4. Farzan, just check how many are these? How
1.
many cubes are there?
Ma'am, there are 4. We have to shade 2.
No, we have to shade 1/4. You have to follow the question number E. What is the 1/4 of 4?
Ma'am,
Tell me, Farzan, what is the 1/4 of 4?
leave we have to.
Ma'am, 1/4 of 4 is 1.
Yes, so you have to color 1 cube. Now, there is the question. Okay. Now come on the page number 103. On 103, half of the picture is drawn. Can you complete the picture? This method is the symmetrical method. I will show you one video on this bit. Please check this, how the symmetry will be made, means how exactly half can be made, how you will make the exactly half of the picture. In this, color also will not, there is it properly, and listen. On page number 103, few pictures are given that are only half drawn and half you have to draw to complete it. So when you draw the half part, it will be the exactly half. Color also will not change, right? This is called the symmetry, and the symmetry line divides the picture into the exactly half. Not only the pictures, even the letters, even the numbers. Yes, who is showing me this? Vivan Patel. Yes, and color also will be exactly the same. Now, on basis of this, I am going to show you one video. Please listen it carefully.
Ma'am, I want to speak something.
Later on, Trisha.
Ma'am, about this topic only.
Yeah, we will speak and discuss it. Listen it first.
Hey,
Hello, Buzz. Look, I'm painting.
hey, I've got a painting for you too.
Wow, that's a beautiful painting, Buzz. But it looks a bit different.
Yes, Amber. That's because it's made using the blot painting method.
What's that, Buzz? Can you teach me?
Sure, Amber. You will need a drawing sheet and some watercolors.
I'm Ready.
Good. First, we need to fold the sheet into half so that we get the center line. Now open it. Can you see the faint line in the middle? This line divides this page into two equal parts.
That is clearly
Now, let's put few drops of color on the page randomly. Then, we fold the page back again and press it down. Now, open the page, Amber.
Wow, that looks good.
Oh yes, the paint has spread over to form a pattern. Similarly, to draw a butterfly, paint half of the butterfly on one side of the fold and fold the page. Press it down and open it. You can see a complete butterfly.
Oh, really? I would love to make a butterfly. Can you teach me?
Sure, go get a new drawing sheet. But this time, you should tell me what to do. I will just help you.
Okay. First, I have to fold the sheet down the middle. Now, I have to paint the butterfly on one side of the sheet.
You are right. You can use 2 or 3 colors and some color for the background too. You will get a very colorful painting.
Okay, Buzz. Next, fold the paper again and press it down nicely by moving your hand all over the sheet. And bingo! Your painting is ready.
Good job, Amber. The painting is beautiful. If you observe, Amber, both the halves are identical.
Hey, Buzz, thank you for teaching me this brilliant idea of painting.
You are welcome, Amber.
How is it possible? We applied paint on the paper, folded the paper into half, and moved our hands on it. Then we opened the paper. How did the paint come on the other side exactly the same way? The design on both the sides was the same. Buzz said that this was magic. Hey, Fairy will definitely tell me about this magic. Hello, Fairy.
Hello, Amber. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hey, Amber. What's that in your hand?
This is my new painting. Buzz taught me a new method to paint.
Wow! That's great!
You know, Fairy, we put paint on one side of the page. But I don't understand. How was it possible? We applied paint on one side of the paper and moved our hands over it. And when we opened the paper, how did the paint come on the other side exactly the same way? And Buzz said it was some magic.
This magic is called symmetry.
Symmetry?
I'll explain it to you. Here, you can see half of the image on the paper and exactly the other half on the mirror. Similarly, when we fold the paper into half, we get the exact design on the other half. A line that divides an object in two equal parts is called the line of symmetry.
But Fairy, what does symmetry mean?
A figure is symmetrical when it can be divided into two equal halves. For example, the butterfly. Now check your painting. Here both the halves are symmetrical, that is, they are same. So, when you place one half on the other half, they get placed exactly one above the other. Amber, you need to remember that there are different types of line of symmetry. Let's see them one by one. An object can have vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, or diagonal line of symmetry. Now, let's consider some examples. A fish has a horizontal line of symmetry. A trophy has a vertical line of symmetry. Some shapes like a star have multiple lines of symmetry. A star has a vertical and a diagonal line of symmetry. So there are 5 lines of symmetry. And shapes like a rectangle also have multiple lines of symmetry. It has a vertical and a horizontal line of symmetry. So, it has 2 lines of symmetry. Some objects have no line of symmetry. That is, the shape cannot be divided into equal halves. For example, this irregular shape has no line of symmetry.
Look, Fairy, there's a kite stuck on that tree.
Can you tell me how many lines of symmetry this kite will have?
Oh yes, it has 1 line of symmetry. That is vertical line of symmetry.
Brilliant! What about a sandwich and an apple?
The sandwich will have a diagonal line of symmetry. And an apple has vertical line of symmetry.
Amber, you have become a genius.
Thanks, Fairy.
Amber, now let's play a game. I'll draw half of a picture and you will have to draw the other half to complete the picture.
Okay, Fairy. This is going to be exciting.
Can you guess, Amber? What have I drawn?
Well, I think it's a pot.
Yes.
Good, Amber. Will you complete this picture?
I would love to.
Now, tell me, what is this?
I know this. It is a heart shape.
Wow! Amber, that is really very good. And now, the last one. And what about this?
This looks like Buzz. It's a honeybee.
Now let me check if you can get this one.
This looks a bit difficult. Okay, I give up. Oh, this is amazing, Fairy. You mean even letters have symmetry?
Yes, Amber. Letters and numbers, just like many natural objects, have a line of symmetry. You only have to imagine it, and you will be able to see it. So, the alphabet A has vertical line of symmetry. Now guess this.
I know this. It's the alphabet B. And it has horizontal line of symmetry.
Now, let's check some numbers. Can you guess this number?
I'm not sure.
Okay, I'll tell you. This is number 8. And It has both vertical and horizontal symmetry. Are you ready to try something more challenging?
Sure, Fairy.
Can you guess the words written here?
Hmm. I think the first word is tomato. And the second word is bite.
Brilliant! You are right.
Thanks, Fairy. I had a great time today. Thanks for teaching me so many things.
Oh, you are welcome, Amber. You are a bright kid.
That was a magical experience, right? Let me share with you some of the things that I have learned today. A line of symmetry divides a figure into two halves that are the mirror images of each other. An object is symmetrical when you can divide it into equal halves. Symmetrical halves are exactly same, so you can exactly place one half on the other half. There are different types of lines of symmetry. They are as follows: vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, diagonal line of symmetry. Alphabets and numbers can also be symmetrical.
I hope you children understood how to draw the other half of these pictures, which are Lamha, mute your mic, which are given on your page number 103, and you have to complete it by your own. And in the question number H, one sun is drawn, one part is drawn. When you complete this, how many more parts you have to draw? Because this is the quarter. How many more parts you have to draw?
Three.
Three. Yes. So this way I will write the work which you have to complete today in the textbook. I will mention in the classroom. Thank you for today's class, children.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good